Hi there. Um, in the additional of today's newspaper on and Tuesday, July the 28th, 2020. Yes, the third Sudoku, a four-star Sudoku. Yes, and this will be number 1240. And before I start this Sudoku, I always count the printed numbers. Probably 24, but let us check. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 5 plus 4 is equal to 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 13. Plus 3 is 16. Plus 2 is 18. Plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24 as expected. Alright, so let's get started. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 7 should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. One of the missing number is an 8. We see here 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And 1 box left of this big square for the number 5. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then, 3 missing numbers in this last column. Those numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 4. 1, 5, 4. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. How about the last row? 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these two boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. We see here already a 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And then how about the number? Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. There are 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So in this row, we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes. In that row, we have a 7 over there. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Let me see which number I can use. 2 in this column, the 2 in the last column, so the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 3 four missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is the 3. We see here a 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here already a 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. Then 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here already a 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 1, 2, 3. These two numbers are the numbers 1 and 9. Let me mark them for you. Those two numbers should be the 5 and the 4. 5 and the 4. 5 and the 4. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 4 goes and there. Then two numbers left in this column, the 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4. Let me mark them for you. 9 and the 4. That means the other two numbers are the numbers 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these two numbers in the last row? For the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait again. Then 8, 4, 4, 5, 5, 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8. Well, I cannot continue with 8. Let me see which number. For the 9. Yeah. How can I solve this problem? Yeah, in this big square, 5 missing numbers now. I know these two numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this row. That means 2 numbers left for the 2. We see here also a 2, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this first column, 2 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 9? 9 in this row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Now I have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be the 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. And I have eliminated one number. Should be the number 7. So we have a 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 already in the third column, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Now we have a 9 there, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be a 4, and this should be the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row, in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for the 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait. Yeah. How about these 3 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 6 is missing. And 8 is missing. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 1 and 5. Yeah, 1 and 5. In the middle row, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. 1 should be there, and the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. Yeah. In these 3 missing numbers in this row, those missing numbers 1, 3, and 6. We see here a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in this box. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. So the 1 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. I mark them for you. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Then 1, 9. Yeah. How about the third column? 1 missing number should be the 1. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 3 and then and the 8. 3 and the 8 are missing in the first column. 8 here. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 3 goes there. That means 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so in the row between. The only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be the 3. And all the 3s are used, I can see, yes. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the row below, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 number left in the third row for the number 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. Then 6 is missing. 5 is missing in this big square, and 2 is missing. We see here the 6 and the 2 in the middle column, so 6 and 2 cannot be in this box. 1 digit left should be the 5. The 6 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. How about these 2 numbers now? In this column for the numbers 9 and 4, I believe. 9 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 1. This should be the 9. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 2. We have a 6 now, so no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes for a 4-star Sudoku. So I'm very pleased. Because for 4-star Sudoku I need more than 30 minutes, and I have solved this problem within 20 minutes. Alright, I'm well pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we will later continue with the binary puzzle, the 4th puzzle in this additional. So see you later and bye bye.